Hi, good evening. My name is Jean-Louis. I'm the head sommelier for Sumo-san restaurants.
Excellent. And if you could explain maybe just very quickly to a complete novice, how do you make sake?
Well, sake in a very short way, because to make sake is a very complicated way. But to say it simply, it's a fermented drink. So you have rice, water, and koji, which is an enzyme. And you're going to have a process of saccharification. So when you transform the sugar, the starches, into sugar, and that's done by the action of a yeast. And then you're going to have a steaming and a fermentation process. And after fermentation process, you're going to have a pressing and aging and clarification and bottling.
Okay, and can you explain a little bit about the polishing and how that affects the quality of the sake?
Polishing is a really important part because, as much as for wine, you're gonna fix the grade or the appellation of the sake. So, because the sake rice is not just a normal table rice, it's a special rice with all the starches in the middle. So, in order to make good quality sake, you want to remove everything which is around, because they don't bring anything good. So the more you polish, the more you remove around, the higher, the more refined the sake will be. And that's where you fix the grade or appellation.
Okay, and the top sakes can go up to maybe 50% of their original?
Absolutely,
grade?
So it starts from 70% left, which is the minimum for making high quality sake. That will be Junmai or Honshozo. If you have 60% left, that's going to be Ginjo or Junmai Ginjo. And if you have at least 50% removed from the grain, it's going to be Daiginjo or Junmai Daiginjo, which are like the Grand Cru or sake.
Okay.
But it can go lower than that.
Sure. And whereabouts is sake made in Japan?
Many areas are really good for sake. And each of those areas, mainly on the main island on Honshu, but Hokkaido Island, for example, got anywhere with a very cold winter, a snowy winter, like Iwate, Niigata, Yamagata, Yamanashi are all perfect areas. As long as you got perfect spring water, because the quality of the water is #1 factor, and the rice. But if you got perfect spring water, which is soft water, because you use it a lot in the sake process, then you have all the elements you need to make sake.
Okay, and do you think that the British public is getting more interested in sake, and if so, why?
Definitely. I've been interested by sake since 2004. And since I started, which is now 6 years ago, I've seen a huge increase in demand and interest in sake. But it's only a question to spend time and to explain what's the difference between all of them.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.